My delivery
Wena
arrived.
asume kancane sivuka. Ka
Wow.
asesivula sibona ukuthi kunani la phakathi. Yi and ngicabanga
You?
it's the latest Honor X9D. Cabang.
Guys,
But it's the unbreakable. But it's the unbreakable, guys. Buka ukuthi kuhle one le phone.
le unbreakable neba ukuthi yinhla njani iphone le new yakwa owner.
Yeah. So ukuthi sitofonelana kahle nyala into sitohlebe kahle ngale phone yabo.
Sho ukuthi usuchaza ukuthi sotonhleba kahle phela njengoba sekane phone so the ningangifaki mina angafaki indzaba yenhlebo. So owner ngiyo leto sita ukuthi sikhona kwenda njani sikhona ukukhuluma tinkinga tethu.
Wonke ngale charger yonke ikhona. Nale cover so bese sifaka le cover yabo. Hayi sitofonela la kamnanzi nyala but it's the unbreakable phela la but ivele angeke iphuke lokho.
Unbreakable le. Yo ngiyaqala kuyibona shema eyinhle.
Look.
Cela nathi sitholela yeni nami. Nithenge yenu.
Nithengeni guys.
Cela ni support le brand. It's a
Le
new
brand
one.
guys lena stoba se shoot na
New
la phone
owner.
lawo. Nyalo so shoot ngawo la phone lawo.
X90.
Pretend ngathi siyaphendula ama client. Hello, how are you?
Okay, thanks and
Uyahlanya ukhuluma kanjani? Ukhuluma ngale voice le ngathi ngondwane.
How? Nembo ucalile phela efonini yakhe so ngihleba ngikhona la.
So I'm excited ukuthi sitosebenzisa kanjani le phone lena guys.
Jabule kakhulu guys. Ngibona ngema video ukuthi I-owner iyasebenza.
Sharp ne.
Bye.